Oh, God. Oh. Oh. Well. What do we have here, ladies and gentlemen? Let's quickly look at this video again, just to see him taking the loss like a man.
So Tank is familiar with this lady. Tank is running to this lady with his tail wagging, as you guys can see in the video. And then the lady then hits Tank on the head with a parcel. It wasn't a thin parcel, it was a very hard parcel. Hit Tank over the head with the parcel in fright, understandably. And then obviously Tank retaliated. As you can see, there is a brief halt of him not attacking the lady. Then obviously the lady proceeds to hit Tank, and Tank then retaliates by biting her twice.
What about that knockdown? I want that knockdown, hey! So
the picture that is shown here is the aftermath of what happened. Very bad bruising.
He's so salty. Alright, well, now that we've refreshed our memory, let's go and look at this video, shall we?
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Deji. Oh, God. Alright, so I tweeted out that I was going to be uploading a video today. And obviously I said I have bad news. I couldn't legally tell you what it was about because I wasn't allowed to from the court by the judge. But obviously my sentencing, everything's now finished, and I'm going to tell you the verdict. For those who don't know, there was an incident with my dog Tank, and I don't know how to put this lightly, honestly. It saddens me to tell you guys that Tank is gonna be destroyed. And my girlfriend, she hasn't even had the opportunity to meet Tank, which sucks, because I've always been telling her that you're going to be seeing Tank soon. And
you dirty cunt.
I feel so bad.
Hey, you could do it.
I'm going to appeal regarding Tank, and this is where I need you guys. I need your help. Alright. I've asked my brother for help. I was talking to him, and he said he's willing to help.
No, but alright. I mean, you lost because of my actions.
But it saddens me to let you guys know that this 1.5-year battle that I've been fighting has come to an end where Tank is going to be destroyed.
No way! Your appeal got denied? No! I did not see this coming! Oh my God! Well, I really thought that your appeal would get through. But no! The commission laughed in your face! I told you to go fuck yourself! And now look at you!
But at this point in time, I want Tank back. Honestly, he's the first dog I've ever had, and I love him so much.
Because you're a pussy.
There was one time I was on the toilet and I had no toilet roll, and I'm not lying. Tank came in with a toilet roll, and I never told him. I didn't say anything. I was just like, oh my gosh, I got no toilet roll. And he came in with toilet roll. It's like he knew. It's insane. I never told anyone that, but yeah.
What? What are you on about?
So, we had to go to court at least 6-7 times regarding the situation. It lasted for a year and a half, and it was a struggle. It was not just a struggle on me, it was a struggle on my dad as well as my mum.
Ah, let me just bask in that glory. Let me just... it feels so good to be a winner again. You just keep giving me W's. Deji, good luck in whatever the fuck you do next. This has been your boy, KSI LGBT. Your boy is a winner again. I'll see you guys in a bit. And peace.
Yeah, I want that knockdown. Fuck up the system, make it shut down. I'm cold with this. Slow man down like Freezer. Wanna backstab like Freezer. Dictate death like Caesar. Always come through with a beat. Gotta do a lot of trouble me. Visionary still want tunnel me. Me the unit that will chuckle me. Devilish views when they're aiming at the prophet. And making pain to you nothing. Remember what I said when that pussy tried moving with the ops. I bad with the blocks, nigga.